Hi everybody, Art Smith here with We're the Smiths Oregon RV Living. I'm just going to show you my version or my way of doing a little bit of maintenance. We live in a very rainy state, and there's just a few things you need to do to keep your awning from rotting away to nothing and exercising the generator, and you can pretty much kill two birds with one stone on a pretty day like we have today. So my beautiful wife Cindy is going to kind of follow me on what I'm doing. I've already got the awning out, the generator set up, and my shop vac out. So this is just how I do this and kill two birds with one stone. Okay? Good old shop vac. That's pretty much it. I've done this a little bit before we started making the video. I put the shop vac on blow. It just kind of blow the water down so it sheets down to the bottom of the awning and then drips off. And then I'll leave it out for a few hours and let everything dry out fairly well. It just helps maintain the awning. To the best of our knowledge, that's the original awning from 1984. So take care of them. They'll last you for a very, very long time. At the same time, I'm using the generator. I'm disconnected from power because we are boondocking at my sister and mother's house. So we've been hooked into dock power or house power. But right now, we are disconnected from that. We're strictly running on the generator. You have to exercise them. Got to keep them lubricated and running well. So just a couple of tips from us. I'm probably going to get flack for the way I did this. There's probably better ways to do it. I'm open. Somebody tell me better ways, but this is how I do it right now. And that's just a little quick tip. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, the notifications, and let's make my channel grow. Thanks.